In today's air fryer series, we are cooking up delicious potatoes in the air fryer. Oh my goodness. Once you make this recipe, it is so simple and easy. You can throw them on the dinner table and you get to enjoy these as well. Yes, you, even those of you that are subscribed to my channel, obviously for gut health and weight loss. But let me tell you, if you're anything like me and you were afraid that the potato, afraid of carbs, all of that as far as weight loss goes, I did the research for you and listen to this. We're going to get into how to cook these in the air fryer, but obviously that's kind of a no-brainer. But what they are going to do for your gut health and weight loss, listen to this. They feed good gut bacteria. They reduce inflammation. They improve insulin sensitivity. They reduce bloating, increases fat burning, and helps regulate your appetite throughout the day. Now, why am I telling you this? Because if you're like me and you were afraid of the potato before, it's because you were eating potatoes wrong. All you have to do is pair it with the right healthy fats, protein, fiber, enjoy that potato, and it starts to work with your body for weight loss. So if that all sounds good to you, let's make these potatoes. So to get started, we have to poke all the potatoes with a fork so that they can heat all the way through. I've already pre-poked those because we all know what that process is. Then I throw on baggy gloves because why the heck not? And I use the extra virgin olive oil. You just pour that right into your baggy glove. Put on your other baggy glove and just slather your potatoes with the olive oil. Once you have all the potatoes nice and oiled up, go ahead and take your baggy gloves off. And I use the pink Himalayan salt. You want to be generous with the pink Himalayan salt. That is what is going to work as a barrier, as a shield for that potato skin. And clearly I need some more pink Himalayan salt. And then go ahead and throw your baggy gloves back on. And just make sure that they're coated nicely with the salt. And it really is that easy. And at this point, they're all prepped. I preheated my 6-quart Chefman air fryer for 10 minutes at 400, but they're ready to go. They're ready to put in to the air fryer, place them down, single layer, place the tray back into the air fryer, 400 degrees for 45 minutes. These are going to be ready to serve. But this is the fun part when it comes to being healthy. For my health nuts out there, yes, these potatoes are ready to serve up, and that's fine. Feed them to your family. But for you, if you want to get all the gut health and weight loss benefits of your potato, put yours in the fridge overnight. That's going to accelerate the resistant starch that is in the potato, and that works as like a gut healing barrier. And it goes to work at repairing that gut health. It improves digestion. It does all the things. So if you know that you are going to be craving carbs this week, go ahead and make the potatoes up and put them in the refrigerator for 24 hours. And then we are going to decorate them with all the other healthy fats and gut healthy components that are just going to send your weight loss soaring, and you're getting to enjoy carbs. I don't know if it gets better than that, but we'll check back when these are done. I'm going to cut one open and you can see that they are fluffy, delicious, and ready to serve. Here we are at the last few seconds. Our potatoes are done. We're going to pop them out of that tray. And look at those. Just to recap, for those of you that are just wanting to know how to cook the baked potatoes in the air fryer, we poked the holes in them. We greased them with the extra virgin olive oil, pink Himalayan salt, placed them into our 6-quart Chefman air fryer at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. You can see here, I'm going to get them plated up, and I'm going to show you how to turn this into a macronutrient balanced meal. So as promised, I wanted to show you how they turn out right out of the air fryer. And we're going to go ahead and we are going to cut into that so that you can see nice and fluffy. Look at that. Crisp on the outside. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to, you see, that is fluffy. Fall apart, fluffy potato in there. Those of us that are incorporating these potatoes into our weight loss meal plan, stick around because I'm going to show you how to pile, how to truly eat a potato for the weight loss benefits. All right, so I'm going to show you 2 quick, easy ways to make up a delicious topping for this potato that incorporates the healthy fat and the probiotics. So you're going to start off, instead of the sour cream that is more traditional to be used on potatoes, start off with your plain unsweetened Greek yogurt. Just a small dab will do it. A tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. And then we need to season that up. So I'm going to season it with a ground ginger. Oh, my gut health is so happy I'm doing that. I'm going to season it with a little ground turmeric. My gut health is loving that. My favorite spice, if you've been following my channel at all, the garlic powder, cracked pepper. That's going to activate the turmeric. I'm sorry, that activates the turmeric by 2,000%. So of course, we're going to go ahead and do that. And then again, you might be thinking, ooh, I don't know about putting the plain Greek yogurt onto my potato. Well, add another healthy fat. Add a tablespoon of your guacamole. So now you have created a healthy fat topping for your potato. If you're going to have carbs, if you're going to have potatoes, no problem. But you need to be intentional to pair it with protein and healthy fats. So that's what we're going to do here. But I am going to pile on this healthy fat concoction that I made up onto my potato. Instead of the butter, instead of the sour cream. All right, that's how I want you to eat your potato. And then add some of the pico de gallo on top. If you aren't used to being intentional about ingredients going into your body, you may not have thought to even make something like this up. So let your family go ahead and enjoy those, and they can doctor them up however they want. This is how I'm going to enjoy my baked potato, and it is guilt-free, and I am going to love it. I hope you guys are so enjoying this air fryer series, and it is getting you to be more intentional about what you're putting into your body and seeing how easy it is to incorporate the air fryer in a healthy way. Some of you probably noticed that I had the hummus out as well. Basically, the hummus would have replaced the guacamole. That would have been the only difference. So there's different varieties that you can make up. You can make it with cottage cheese. You could do just the Greek yogurt. It really is up to you. It's just about being intentional about the ingredients that you're putting into your body. And I am hoping that all of these macronutrient balanced meals are helping you get the weight loss results that you're looking for. If you like this video, please do me a favor and click that like button down below. Share this video with anybody that you think might benefit from it. And be sure to make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my next one. I'll see you next time.